Hi everyone, welcome to PowerShell for Penetration Testers at Pentester Academy. This video is the course conclusion video. Let's look back and see what we have learned, and let's look forward to see how and where we can use the learning. We started from very basics of the language, looked at the syntax, the commands, the commandlets, the functions, variables, conditional statements, loops, operators, arrays, advanced scripts, advanced functions as the language essentials. Then we moved on to modules, PowerShell remoting, interaction with Windows registry, extending PowerShell with .NET. We used WMI with PowerShell. We used Windows API. We interacted with COM objects and much more. So this was our language essentials part. Then we moved on to penetration testing. We saw that how PowerShell is useful in different phases of penetration testing and how it is useful in enhancing our existing techniques and how it could be used to introduce new techniques to our penetration tests, which make them easier to do, more fun, and very effective for us as well as for the clients. We saw how we can do basic port scanning and recon using PowerShell. We saw how Nmap, Nessus, and other tools could be automated with the help of PowerShell. We saw the exploitation phase. We saw client-side attacks, exploiting SQL servers, using PowerShell with human interface devices, using PowerShell with Metasploit, writing exploits in PowerShell, using PowerShell in Metasploit exploits. Then we moved on to the post-exploitation part, where we saw the real power of PowerShell. We saw that so many existing techniques could be greatly enhanced with the help of PowerShell. We saw we can dump system secrets in plain, we can escalate our privileges, we can map an entire domain, we can get system informations, we can do so much stuff that makes PowerShell an exploitation framework sort of in itself. So that was fun, and we did a lot of hands-on. So I'm just giving a quick refresher of what we have learned. Now looking forward, we obviously learned even more things, but let's leave it for now. We've already seen everything. Looking forward, I would like you to write code and contribute, either maintain your own open source tool or contribute to Nishang or any other tool out there. That would really help you to sharpen your PowerShell skills and understand the existing code in so many tools, which was, for example, some of which was that complex that we were unable to look into the source code. Another thing is blog about PowerShell, talk about it at hacker conferences. PowerShell is a hot topic, and if you do some good stuff in it, you could speak about it at various hacker conferences. So that would help your career as well, and it would also help in generating awareness amongst security folks about PowerShell. So there are so many ways of doing it. And now let's see what else is available and we were unable to cover it. First of all, some of self-promotion. I do live classes for PowerShell for penetration testers as well. You can find details about here. So that covers what has been covered in this course, plus couple of more things. So it's a 2-day class, 2 days class. If you have taken this course, ask your friends and colleagues to check that course out. If you are going to a conference and see this training, please ask your friends and colleagues if someone is interested in it. So that is it for the self promotion. And now a list of recommended reading. So these all blogs, the first one is mine. All of these blogs are of PowerShell hackers. We mix PowerShell and penetration testing and red teaming and security frequently, offensive security frequently. So have a look at this. These blogs are, or websites are really useful for PowerShell programming. I have not listed Stack Overflow for a reason here. That website is default if you are doing any programming language. So go through these. Many questions would be answered by one of these websites or blogs. Few articles or links which were not covered, you could read about them here. Some resources and cheat sheets could be found on these links. If you want to read a couple of books related to PowerShell, go for PowerShell in Action by Bruce Pyatt and Windows PowerShell Cookbook by Lee Holmes. And finally, I would like to thank and credit these guys, Vivek Ramchandran, that is the Security Tube guy, and his team. This course would not have been possible without the Security Tube team. And also the PowerShell hackers in no particular order. I would like to speak their real name: ObscureSec, Chris Campbell, Matt, Carlos Perez, Lee Holmes, scripting guys, Bruce Pyatt, David Kennedy, Matt, Casey Smith, and Will, and all other PowerShell bloggers, tool creators, and book writers. Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this course and it would be useful for you. It was fun, and hopefully it will be of useful use in your job. If you enjoyed this course and enjoying your time at Pentester Academy, please recommend us to your friends and colleagues in the information security community. Thank you very much. See you later.